Hi guys, this is Supriya and I'm back again with yet another topic, Selenium WebDriver. So first we will see what is Selenium and then we will talk about what is WebDriver. So let's start. It is said that Selenium is an automation tool, but it is not an automation tool. It is the Selenium are the APIs that automates the web applications. So that is the correct definition. So we will never ever say that it is a tool. Selenium are available in the form of APIs, in the form of jar files um, that automates the web applications that runs on different browsers. Okay, so that's the definition that you will say. When I say that it's an open source, so it's freely available, you don't need any license and you don't need to purchase these jar files or APIs. You just need to download it from the Selenium hq.org site. Okay, so Selenium hq.org site is their official site from where you can download these Selenium jar files or the APIs. The second point says that it automates only the web applications that runs on different browsers. So it does not support any desktop applications, okay? So or Windows applications. It only supports the web applications or the websites. It supports multiple languages like C Sharp, Perl, Java, Ruby, Python, etc. Okay, and it runs on multiple browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and different versions of browsers. So it's platform independent. That means it supports different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac. So there are so many advantages that you can see with Selenium as compared to other automation tools. The competitor of Selenium is the QTP, but it's you need the license and you need to buy QTP. It only works on VB-script, and that's the reason Selenium is on high demand as compared to QTP. So, as I said that Selenium is available in the form of APIs. Now, what are these APIs? When I say APIs, uh, we have already seen that we have packages, classes, methods in any programming language that are enclosed in the form of libraries. So these APIs are nothing but the packages that you download. Packages within the packages you will have the predefined classes, and within the classes you will find the predefined methods. So APIs are nothing but the packages, the classes, and the methods in it. Okay. Uh, there is a separate session on APIs, so if you want, you can go through those videos and see what APIs are and how APIs work. But for now, here you just need to understand that if Selenium is available in the form of APIs or jar files, and these APIs are nothing but the packages, and within the package you have predefined classes, and in the classes you have the predefined methods. So Selenium guys, they have their own business logic um, in their APIs that we cannot see, okay, but we can definitely download and implement those business logics. Okay, and we need to modify, we need to manipulate those methods that they give us or the classes, and we can execute them and run our commands. Okay, so I already told you that APIs, Selenium are the APIs available in jar files. Now these jar files you can download from the Selenium hq.org site. So in in the later session, I'll tell you how to download it and how to install Selenium in your system. Now let me tell you how these APIs work. Okay, so just give me a moment. Okay. Now this diagram shows the Selenium WebDriver architecture. How these APIs work: we have the Selenium language bindings. That means we have the different Selenium libraries that are those libraries has the APIs, and we write a piece of code in the form of any one of these languages like Java, Ruby, C#, Python, JavaScript, and we write the piece of code and we tell Selenium APIs to perform certain tasks. Okay, so what these APIs do, these APIs sends the request to the HTTP client servers. Those are provided by the different browsers. Okay, HTTP browsers. Now these API, the requests are written in the JSON format. Okay, and the requests are sent in the form of JSON via protocol to the HTTP servers. Okay, now from there the request is identified and the particular or the specific browser drivers are identified. Okay, so if it's the Chrome driver that's been identified in the request, the Chrome driver is initiated and Chrome browser is opened. Okay, so for example, if I have written a code in Java that says I want to open google.com. Okay, so I tell the APIs that, hey, I want to open google.com. Can you send a request to, can you just perform this task? So what these APIs will do, they will send the request in the form of JSON wire protocol to HTTP servers. Okay, and from there the browser driver is initiated. So in the code, if I have requested to open the google.com in Firefox or in Chrome driver, say in Chrome driver or in Chrome, then the Chrome driver will be identified from the request and Chrome browser will be initiated, and we will have the our google.com open in the Chrome browser. Okay, so this is the Selenium WebDriver architecture. This is how the APIs work in Selenium. So I'll just switch back to that notepad. Okay. So now let me tell you what is the WebDriver. So WebDriver is an interface in the Selenium package that are available in jar files. So in Java sessions we have seen what are interfaces. Interfaces are some type of classes that consists of abstract methods in it. What are abstract methods? Abstract methods are the methods wherein you don't have the method body, you don't have the business logic or implementation logic defined in it. So WebDriver are the interface within which you have the different methods, and you cannot see those method bodies in it. Okay. However, there are certain classes like Chrome driver, Internet Explorer driver, Firefox driver. These classes implements the interface WebDriver. Okay. So what happens is the classes, when implements the interface WebDriver, it becomes the responsibility of these classes to define their own business logic in the methods, in the abstract methods which are present in the WebDriver interface. So Selenium allows us to define our own business logic, okay, in the methods that we will be using from the WebDriver interface, and execute our code and execute the task, or if you want to perform any task, or if you want to say, for example, if you want to click a button, so that's a command, that's a particular task that I want to perform. So I'll write the piece of code in Java, and we will tell the APIs, Selenium APIs, that hey, now can you just click this button, can you send the request to click this button. So these APIs will send the request, the particular browser driver is initiated, the browser is open, and depending upon the commands, the instructions that you have given inside the WebDriver interface methods, so you define the business logic. So depending upon that, the commands are, or the task is performed. Okay, so clicking of a button will be done. So you need to manipulate those WebDriver methods. Okay, so that's all about Selenium and Selenium WebDriver. In the later sessions, we will be seeing more about Selenium and Selenium WebDriver. And for now, goodbye and take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay at home, and bye-bye.